Hello students, today we are going to see lesson 2 synopsis summary of the lesson 2. This chapter is a synopsis of the adventure novel The Swiss Family Robinson, which is written by the Swiss clergyman Johann David Weiss. The novel aims at teaching young people values like self-reliance, determination, love for family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. It also includes lessons related to natural sciences, good husbandry, and mathematics. Since the novel is a work of fiction, some elements of it stretch reality to a certain extent. The synopsis highlights the story of Robinson family, William, his wife Elizabeth, and their 4 sons, who were stranded on an island due to the storm. In the course of their time at the island, the Robinson family used all resources on the ship that survived in the storm as well as the things available on the island. For the first few days, they had set up a tent with the floor topped with grass. They made utensils out of gourds. The mother in the family, Elizabeth, suggested moving to a safer place, and so they made a tree house. The sons were taught geometry by the father, which helped them build the house and other useful materials like ladders and sledge for transportation. Elizabeth did gardening, grew healthy plants, candles were made by waxy fruit, and rubber saps were collected to make boots. The family then built a winter house by picking on a rock and successfully made 4 rooms, complete with a fireplace and windows. Once, one of the family huts along with the cultivated fields was destroyed by the elephant herd. They built a new house using 4 strong trees that had grown in a square as a foundation. They lived on the island for the next 10 years and called it New Switzerland. Once the eldest son, Fritz, came across a note by someone else stranded nearby. On searching, he found a young woman named Jenny Montrose, who began to live with a family. A rescue ship for Jenny was spotted by Fritz and William. William, Elizabeth, Jack, and Ernest decided to continue live on the island, while Fritz, Franz resolved to leave the island for Europe. The father had kept a record of their adventures on the island, which he gave to the captain of the ship to be published before the ship departed. Now we are going to see vocabulary, some synonyms, antonyms from the lesson. Give the synonyms of the following words. Synonyms means similar meaning words. Prudent. Prudent means cautious. Weathered. Weathered, outlived. Disassembled. Disassembled means detached. Kegs. Kegs means barrels. Abutting. Abutting means bordering. Oppressive. Oppressive, stuffy. Rigged means equipped. Trampled means crushed. Marooned, stranded. Surroundings means vicinity. Barbarians means savages. Success means prosperity. Find the antonyms of the following words. Antonyms means opposite meaning words. First is given here, shortened. Opposite of shortened, extended. Second word, conventional. Opposite of conventional, exotic. Give the meaning of the following words. Driftwood. Driftwood means wood that has been washed to the shore by water body. Second word, runners. Runners means strips of which something slides. Now we are going to see some grammar questions from the lesson. Question number 1. They constructed a vessel out of tubs. Instruction is change the sentence using past continuous tense. Answer is they were constructing a vessel out of tubs. The family had landed successfully on the island. Suggestion. Rewrite the sentence using noun forms of the underlined word. Answer. The family had landed on the island with success. Elizabeth informed William that she wanted the family to move a safer place. Suggestion. Change into direct speech. Answer. Elizabeth informed William, I want the family to move a safer place. They created their ladder. Change the voice. Their ladder was created by them. Next. They used it to transport materials. Change the sentence using present continuous tense. Answer is, they are using it to transport material. To remedy this, father and Jack rigged up a new light. Punctuate the sentence by using different punctuation marks. Appropriate punctuation marks you have to use. Next question. There were huge footprints everywhere. Add a question tag. There were huge footprints everywhere. Weren't there? Question mark. They built another safe home. Change the voice. Another safe home was built by them. They called the island New Switzerland. Change the voice. The island was called New Switzerland by them. Next question. The captain had decided to attempt to find her. Change into past continuous tense. Answer. The captain was deciding to attempt to find her. Next question. With a burst of celebration, the family, passengers and crew of the British vessel headed towards New Switzerland. Punctuate the sentence. By using appropriate punctuation marks, you have to write the answer of this question. Now we are going to see some questions and answers from the lesson. Question number 1. What does the novel The Swiss Family Robinson aim at teaching? Answer. The novel The Swiss Family Robinson aims at teaching young people values like self-reliance, determination, love for family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. Question number 2. In what way is a work of fiction different from fact file? Answer. A work of fiction stretches reality unlike a fact file which merely describes facts. How did the Robinson family reach the tropical island? Answer. The Robinson family made a vessel out of tubs and filled it with food and ammunition. Then they rowed towards the tropical island and reached there safely. Describe the first accommodation facility that Robinsons built. Answer. The Robinsons built a tent as their first accommodation on the island and softened its floor with armload of grass that they cut and spread to serve as their beds. How did the Robinsons make utensils? Answer. The Robinsons made utensils by cutting gourds into bowls and spoons. Why did mother wish to shift the family to a tree house? Answer. Mother wished to shift the family to a tree house because their camp was not only exposed but also dry and hot. The tree house would also keep them safe from jackals. How did mother occupy herself while the tree house was being built? Answer. Mother occupied herself with gardening of the healthy plants while the tree house was being built. What two useful materials did the father and Fritz find after exploring the island? Answer. The father and Fritz found exotic plants like the one with a waxy fruit which could be used to make candles. They also discovered a tree exuding a rubbery sap which was used to make boots. What was the third place the family decided to reside in? Why did they wish to shift there? Answer. The third place that the family decided to reside in was the cave. They wished to shift there for safety reasons and warmth during the winter season. What did the family do when they did not find a cave to make a winter home? Answer. When they did not find a cave to make a winter home, the family selected a rock to cove a cave out of it on their own. They marked it with dimensions for the opening and they picked at the hard surface with axes, chisels, hammers, and shovels to give it a shape. What was missing in the cave? Answer. The cave was missing a proper source of light. Next question. What disaster struck on one of the family's huts? Answer. One of the family's huts, along with the cultivated fields around it, had been trampled and ruined by an elephant herd. Question next. What made the family change over to their fourth residence? What precaution did they take before building it? Answer. The family changed over to their fourth residence because their family hut was destroyed by the elephants, along with the cultivated fields. They took precaution and instead of building the house of stilts, used four strong trees growing in a square as a foundation. How did Fritz learn about another victim forsaken on a faraway island? Answer. Fritz learnt about another victim forsaken on a faraway island with the help of rag that was tied to an albatross leg whom he had knocked down. Who was the victim and how long had she survived? The victim was a young lady named Jenny Montrose, and she had survived there for nearly 3 years. Who is included in the word everyone? In everyone was amazed. Answer. The passengers and crew of the British vessel are included in the word everyone in the everyone was amazed. How does the adventure come to a happy end? Answer. The adventure came to a happy end with the father, mother, Jack and Ernest deciding to live on the island and Fritz, Franz, Jenny going back to England. Fritz wished to marry Jenny and Franz wanted to get an academic education. Now I would like to give some simple factual activities for you. You must find out answers from the lesson and complete all activities. State whether the following statements are true or false. 1. Elizabeth thought that if they built the house in one of the large trees, they would not be safe from jackals. Second one, the father taught the boy geometry on the island. Third, the garden Elizabeth had been tending to was not producing healthy plants. Students, you have to find out answers from the lesson and complete this activity. Rearrange the events in order of their occurrence. 1. The boys made ladders. 2. Fritz discovered a tree excluding rubber sap. 3. Elizabeth wanted to shift a safer place. 4. Elizabeth started gardening. 5. The family built a tree house. Right answer by 1. Rearrange the events order of their occurrence. 1. The elephants destroyed one of the huts and fields. 2. The Robinson family made a winter home. 3. The Robinson family made a strong house on 4 trees. 4. Father decided they needed a safer place in winter. 5. Jack hung an oil lamp in the cave. Complete the following sentences using the extract. The Robinson family cut windows in the rock of the cave too. Sentence number 2. The cave house they had built felt oppressive because. Rearrange the events in order of their occurrence. 1. A ship set up an encampment on one of the smaller islands. 2. The captain was given a record of the adventures of the Robinson family. 3. Franz decided to go to Europe to receive an academic education. 4. Fritz rescued Jenny Montrose. 5. The British crew celebrated the discovery of Jenny. State whether the following statements are true or false. 1. There were ample number of volcanoes in the vicinity of the Robinsons. 2. The young woman Jenny was shy at first. 3. Ernest decided to live on the island. In this way, I have given some simple factual activities for you. You must find out answers of all activities and write in classwork. It is compulsory for each and every student.